In this video, I will guide you on how to find Clipboard on Samsung phone. The first thing you want to do is open any app with a text field, such as Messages or Notes. For this video, I'm going to open Samsung Notes. Now, you want to tap anywhere on the screen and your keyboard should appear. Now, you want to look for the toolbar above the keyboard. Here you will find different options. Go ahead and tap on this one. This is the clipboard icon. Go ahead and select that. Now this should give you access to your clipboard. From here, you will find all the things that you have copied. If you want to paste it, you simply want to tap on it, and as you can see, it has been pasted. Now, if the keyboard toolbar is missing, then what you want to do is head over to Settings. Then tap on General Management. Now tap on Keyboard. Then select Samsung Keyboard, and here toggle on the option of Keyboard Toolbar. In this way, you can easily find Clipboard on your Samsung phone. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.